I've lived in Morgantown for 35 years now, and I became involved in City Council, serving on council in 2009. Well, I think safety is an issue of the utmost importance to all of our residents and also to City Council. Important enough that we actually participated in a collaborative with the county and the university and achieved the designation of being a safe community. Well, I think the levels of safety, or us practicing safety, I think we have a great police force, and we've been fortunate that we have been able to expand it with our user fee. Part of the money's going to that, so we've been able to add more officers, which means another unit that is available for other shifts. I know there's been concern about our downtown, specifically the early hours of the morning and maybe some activity that goes on during the day. Supporting more police officers in our downtown will help us, I think, improve that service. I think also making residents aware of what they should do as a citizen, that everybody needs to be the eyes and the ears on the street. You know, Morgantown has the same amount of police as the university, which I think is about 65 or 67. So with people that are retiring or on sick leave or military leave, we need to keep our numbers up. I would like to see our numbers go up when we compare ourselves to other cities in the state. Our numbers are really low. But I think we're very fortunate, and I'm very grateful for the professional officers that we do have. In order to assist our officers on the street, for instance, we have an officer that is on the street from 8 in the morning till, I think, 4 in the evening. Then there's another officer that overlaps that shift just during the day. Then in the evening hours, you know, our activity swells to several thousands of people downtown. So in order to assist that, the suggestion has been made that we have a street ambassadors program, which would be volunteers that would be trained in safety somehow, you know, safety, I would think. Making sure that they can assist people to, you know, walk the streets, see if there's a visitor or even a resident, anybody that has a question, if they could assist them somehow, whether it be escorting them to a parking lot or helping them get assistance. I know in other big cities that they use this type of program, and it's been very successful, and also make our downtown more inviting for people who normally maybe would not come or have been hesitant to come downtown because they don't feel safe. I think this could help create that environment where they do feel welcomed.
When can we look for that initiative? When will that come into effect, do you think?
You know, I'm not sure. I would hope in the next couple months. I know that it's going to be discussed at a meeting in mid-October. Well, I know through the Safe Communities initiative, they are looking at a distracted driving program to educate people not to text and drive or put on makeup or whatever they're doing when they're driving. So there's an initiative coming out about that. I know there's also been a group, I've been approached about a group for a rail trail, extra bicycle riders that can help, you know, help just patrol the trail, help assist other cyclists with broken down bikes or visitors, maybe somebody's lost or whatever, putting them in the right direction. So, you know, we're always looking at safety. It's pedestrian safety, bicycle safety, motor vehicle safety. I know those are programs in the works. And then we also, with the, I know there's a whole but we want to make people aware of the opioid drug overdose use and also suicide prevention. Those are also two of the initiatives in the safe communities to make people aware of, you know, how we can prevent these things. I believe citizens need to take an active role, though. If they see something going on, they need to report it. And whether you're walking down the street and somebody has harassed you, if it's upset you that much, we all carry telephones, dial 911. You know, I think we need to be proactive instead of reactive.